Yar. Never could I. Yo, fuck. Oh, guy. This guy was fighting us, Aina. Yar. He's still fighting. Yo. It's resilience. It is I. There's six of him there. He's still standing. He's still fighting. It shows you what Aina can do. Don't underestimate it anymore. He's not a scavenger. He's just work smart. Yes, to run is. Oh. Too many on him, but he knows he gotta run down. He'll be like, Kejima. Aye, this is safe now, yo. Yes. Yo. Yar. Yes, I wanna catch you, yar. Yo. Yar. Ram that thing. Yes. Elephants. Aye. Aye, my G. You a gentle giant. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. It's not nice. Hey. Yo. I mean, I gotta stop posting that stuff, yo. This is brutal, but this is a circle of life, people. Circle of life. If humans never ever got to the top of a food chain, we'd be shut, yo. We'd be dead, all of us. Yes. If God never ever gave us a brain, nah, we won't ever want to survive.